This video minute brought to you by Tax Favored Benefits, the KDA endorsed provider for quality financial planning. Go to ksdental.org to find out more.
I'm Executive Director Kevin Robertson, and this is the KDA Video Minute for Friday, February 26th. As we reported last week, the Kansas legislature had their first deadline of their 90-day session. That was on Tuesday, and it's their House of Origin deadline, or now what we call turnaround. So they're in recess until next Wednesday. There are a couple bills of interest that, of course, we've been following. We talked about the bill that would allow dentists to get CE credit for charity work. There's a bill in the House and the Senate. Those bills both passed earlier this week, so they're now still working, and so we'll have hearings on those probably within the next couple of weeks. Also, the bill on dental mid-levels, the dental therapy bill, Senate Bill 413, no action was taken on that bill. There was not a hearing held. Now that we've hit deadline, that's not an exempt bill, so the bill itself, Senate Bill 413, is dead at this moment. Now, again, we talk about this every year. That doesn't mean that subject matter couldn't be attempted to be amended into another bill on the floor in a committee or whatever. But as of this moment in time, the dental therapy issue is dead for the 2016 legislative session. Now we're at the end of February, and of course, February was Children's Dental Health Month. Hopefully, many of you had the opportunity to meet with some classrooms or someone in your office, maybe one of your dental hygienists or someone certainly had the opportunity to talk about dental health. Did some different classrooms. March 18th is the classroom project deadline for any students or classrooms that were going to enter a project. We've already had a couple of those classrooms across the state enter a project, so we'll be reviewing those. Actually, the Council on Children's Dental Health Month will review those. We'll have 4 finalists maybe, that we'll then vote on during the General Assembly when we have our annual meeting on Saturday, April 9th, during the UMKC dental meeting. So that's coming up, and please, if you have a classroom or a school that you have been working with, please remind them of that March 18th deadline. While we're talking about the UMKC meeting, the Midwest Dental Conference, of course, we have open registration for our Real World Transition Brunch. If you are a dentist that's looking to hire an associate, hire someone that you would transition your practice to as you look to retire or move to another location, whatever. We certainly encourage you to participate. Registration's open for that, and that will be Friday morning, April 8th, during the Midwest Dental Conference in Kansas City. KDA has a few other events that we're working on that you need to be aware of. First of all, on Saturday, April 30th, the KDA is putting together a PreDental Consortium that will be at the Kansas State Union in Manhattan. We'll have new dentists, UMKC, and some other folks talk to pre-dental students, or certainly undergraduate students that think they want to get into dental school. We'll be talking to them about certainly dentistry in general, but then also the process to get into dental school. We'll talk to what's it like to be a dental student, as well as then with some new dentists talk about kind of their practice and how they got involved to try to either encourage or discourage perhaps some of these pre-dental students. So that'll be on Saturday, April 30th. Also, the KDA is currently working on locations and dates, times for a series of ethics CE opportunities across the state. Remember, all dentists have to have 2 hours of ethics CE with their biennial renewal of their license. So look for those as an option for you to fulfill that licensure requirement. Then also, we are well on the way to scheduling and announcing our tailgate for this year. It will be a Royals game. We have reserved the George Brett Suite, so we're really excited about that. It'll be a limited opportunity as far as the number of tickets and availability for that. So be paying attention to that as well. That'll be later on in the summer, but I want you to know that we're working on that. We hope that our membership will be very excited about attending a Royals game and helping to celebrate, of course, the defending Major League champion. So be watchful of our upcoming events, and of course be sure to register. We'd love to see you here over the next few months with the different activities that we'll be having. And until then, we'll see you next week with the next KDA Video Minute.